Alright guys, same thing, quick recipe here. Nothing huge, just this grass-fed beef. I'm gonna cook it up on a pan, and then I'm gonna actually cook it in water so it's boiled, and then drain it. So because even you're still gonna get some fat even if it's grass-fed. Carrots, and then put some lime in there, and then that's basically hoisin sauce. Gonna mix it together with some fennel seeds and some garlic salt, and then just eat it like that. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so I have it all set up here, it's all seasoned. As you can see, I put some lime juice in there, a little bit of hoisin, and some garlic salt and fennel seeds. So I'm going to cook it up and then drain it. And then put in the carrots afterwards, or else it's going to be really oily from all the fat. Alright, so it's all done. I put some cabbage in there as well. Let's do a quick taste test. Grab a small piece. I drained it as well, so... It's really good. It's not oily because like I said, I did rinse it out first. Other than that, it's pretty good. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.